Struggling with debt? The debt snowball method might be the solution you're looking for. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. List your debts from smallest to largest. Start by listing all your debts, from the smallest balance to the largest, regardless of interest rates. Step 2. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first. Throw as much extra money as possible at your smallest debt while making minimum payments on the others. Once the smallest is gone, move to the next on the list. Step 3. Build momentum. Each time you pay off a debt, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment. This momentum will motivate you to keep going until all your debts are gone. Use the debt snowball method, and watch your debt shrink. Like and subscribe to Financial Rebirth for more strategies to master your finances.